Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the latest update to Google Wallet, which is finally rolling out to more users. The new redesign brings a fresh look to the app, with a focus on making it easier to manage your passes and transactions. The top portion of the app's homepage remains unchanged, but everything underneath the credit and debit card carousel is brand new. Passes no longer span the full width of your screen. Instead, you'll see two per row, with cards featuring a themed background that better distinguishes each one. Besides the ability to reorder, by holding down and dragging, you can now control which passes appear on the homepage. The design and build of the app have been improved, with a centered, split-button variant replacing the large plus FAB in the bottom right corner. The plus at the right takes you to the same Add to Wallet screen as before, while View More opens a new page that first lets you search your wallet for transactions, payment methods, and loyalty cards. In terms of specs and performance, the update requires the latest versions of Google Wallet and Google Play services, stable 2.6.15.33. The new features of the app include the ability to search your wallet, manage passes on the home screen, and star or remove passes. There are currently no rumors or leaks about future updates to Google Wallet, but we can expect the app to continue to evolve and improve. The expected release date for the update is now, as it's rolling out to more users, and the price is free, as it's an update to an existing app. In our verdict, the new Google Wallet update is a significant improvement over the previous version, with a fresh design and new features that make it easier to manage your passes and transactions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. We'll catch you in the next one. The update is available now, so make sure to check it out and let us know what you think in the comments below. We'll be back with more tech news and updates, so stay tuned. Have a great day and we'll see you in the next video.